guys, it's School Cat here, and today we are going to Arlington, Virginia Tesla Service Center because we're gonna get our Tesla Cybertruck turned. I feel pretty excited. We just went from Maryland to Virginia. The time in Virginia is 9:07 a.m. That's the time when I get late to run to my bus. Yeah, that's what. And it's Friday, September 20th, so that means today we've skipped school. Thanks to my dad, just to go to the Tesla dealership, because every time I shut this door, I hear an extra click to it. And we have to get our windshield wiper motor changed, because I don't know why. They said you can still use it, but they said you have to get it changed. And to all Cybertruck owners out there, please go to the nearest Tesla service center to get your windshield wiper motor changed. It doesn't mean you can't use it. It means you just have to get it changed because they want it to be like, I guess, the next generation type of it. I don't know. So yeah, 3 things we're gonna do out there. Please subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any content. I'm gonna let you guys look outside with the beautiful view. I want to see a cyber beast, because we have the Cybertruck Foundation series, and this is only 2 motors, and it doesn't have like the light bar up here and 2 ditch lights on the side. But Cyber Beast has 2 ditch lights on the side, 1 light bar up there, and 3 motors, 2 in the back, 1 in the front. I thought they were gonna do 2 in the front, 1 in the back, but that's actually a waste of energy. Right. What the heck? Did you just see that? I think I saw another. Is that another Cybertruck? Bro!
That's the Tesla Service Center. What you expecting?
What the heck? This is a Cybertruck rampage! Okay guys, and now we're at the service center. As you can see in front of us, I don't know if you can see it, there's a blue or turquoise wrapped Cybertruck, and look what they did to their tires. If you can see, it's kind of like I prefer the tire covers, but that puts mileage on your Cybertruck. So we got like center caps. No one likes the rust in a Cybertruck manual tire. So, and over there, there's a Cybertruck Foundation series. We also have a Foundation series. It says it like somewhere around here. Right here. And we have some over here and 1 in the back seat. Foundation series. And I don't know if that one's a Foundation series, but that one's a Foundation series. That one's a Cyber Beast, but that's only for the showroom. Alright guys, we are in the dealership. There's the car. Stop right there. Here's the, I don't think you've seen it before, but here's the 2008 Tesla Roadster. I think that's laminated Kevlar right there. The stripy stripe thing. My dad has it for like the back of his phone cover. Here's how it looks like. Back. Looks pretty cool, but this one's a little dirty. I wonder when the 2024 is gonna come. When it comes and I get older, I'm definitely gonna buy it. And here's the Cybertruck we have. Instead of the center wheel caps, they have the tire covers, but that puts mileage. But I mean, it looks pretty cool. I wish I could have one, but they're out of stock. But thanks to our new sponsor, what's their name again? I forgot what they're called, but they're our first sponsor. They make these, like, they make parts, not like parts like these. They make like accessories for Tesla. Oh, They make accessories for Tesla and they give them to Tesla. Oh, this is the pallet drive unit. Heat pump. Full self-driving computer. Oh my gosh, that's tiny. But that's full self. Here's some autopilot cameras. Wow. What's this? We haven't checked out this new one. Bad boy. I hope this is another Model Y. Oh, definitely. Yes it is. It's one of those big chubby Model Ys. They're charging it from an outlet, so it's gonna take 5 hours to fill this thing up. We just got our black Model Y. I prefer something less dirty, but the only good side is we got autopilot. We have 235 miles. We are going to Tysons Corner Mall. Let's see how autopilot does. I'm gonna see you in the mall. Peace out. Hey guys, autopilot just got activated. We figured it out. Nothing on the steering wheel. I think it's gonna move the steering wheel right now. Don't touch it. Don't touch it. Or you're gonna deactivate it. It's gonna turn by itself probably. Oh my gosh, this is so exciting. Now I know I can trust Tesla autopilot. It might turn right now. So our next turn is gonna be in 4.1 miles. Wow. Right? Tysons Corner Mall, and right now we're checking out the Lucid Air.
Quiet, luxurious, isn't it?
Still prefer Cybertruck.
Okay.
But it's pretty, it's okay. I like it a little. But it looks a little complicated. That's the only thing. Wait. Oh yeah, there is. Spare tire thing again? Yeah. That's cool. Is it supposed to stay like that? Shove it in like that. Okay, protective. 2 cameras. Ooh, look at this. We got Puma, we got touring, they got Grand Touring, they got everything. These are the wheel options. pretty smooth. There's some color options and accessories. Oh, that's pretty soft. Here's the color options. You can take Stellar White, Infinity Black, Cosmic Silver, Quantum Gray, Zenith Red, and Phantom Blue. The ones we just looked at are, this one should be Quantum Gray or Infinity Black. That one is definitely Stellar White. Hey guys, we are gonna connect the Tesla Model Y. Wait, it's summons disabled. We can't summon it. Alright guys, look, they are pressurizing and it's recommended 50 psi, but this one's 52 and this one's 54 right now. I'm just gonna watch some videos. Yeah. Okay guys, we got the Cybertruck still. Let's see how it looks. Oh, I'm so excited guys. Outlets are open, but it doesn't matter. Look at that. That looks pretty strong. These are new. I think they just installed them. These are very, very new. I haven't seen them yet. This is a part where I had to lift up and like put the clicks on it so I can unfold it. Here are the things. I've not seen these yet. But here are the things that you're supposed to lay these on. It's really cool. Let's go see if they did anything to the interior. I think they did a couple of things to the car. Let's see what they did. Is there anything new instead? Nothing here really. Dynamics, towing and holding, charging. Let's see if they. No autopilot. Oh. That really sucks. Navigation, Sentry mode off. Thank you. Look at all that. We didn't really do anything new. It's all normal. Wait, let's close this. Okay, guys. So the tent's in the back, and do not try to open the tent, because you might damage a part of the car. In one of the videos I have showed you the tutorial in the front screen in the Cybertruck. Make sure to check out that video. Please subscribe to my channel if you're new so you don't miss any upcoming content. And one of our newest contents, spoiler alert, is gonna be a actual opening of the Tesla campsite setup. So we're gonna make our own video for the Tesla campsite setup. We also might use Tesla tutorials videos in the video, but yeah, that's what we're gonna do. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Good day, George Washington Memorial.
Now bear right to stay on George Washington Memorial Parkway North.